Constitution Pipeline Project is a 121-mile pipeline. It starts in Susquehanna County, Pennsylvania, and it ends in Schoharie County, New York. It's designed to transport up to 650 million standard cubic feet of gas from production in the Susquehanna County area, and it connects into the Iroquois gas pipeline system, which delivers gas into New York City, and then it also connects into the Tennessee Gas Pipeline system that delivers gas into the Boston markets. The initial routing was done utilizing Google Earth to look at the terrain and the topography and the population centers. We're also meeting with state agencies and local counties and local towns to get their input on the routing of the pipeline. We are very early on in the process. We began communication with FERC in March. We requested to be accepted in the pre-filing process in April. We were accepted in mid-April. We are meeting with stakeholders, including federal and state agencies and local governments and also landowners to get their input on the routing of the pipeline. And we've also sent out letters to affected landowners requesting survey permissions. We're looking at starting surveys, both civil and environmental and cultural resource surveys, in June. The purpose of the surveys is to identify any sensitive environmental or cultural resource areas, so that we can then tweak the route to avoid and minimize impacts to these sensitive areas. We're looking at going through the pre-filing process this year and then filing the formal 7C application with FERC in January 2013. We're very early on in developing this project. We will be working very closely with both affected landowners and local stakeholders, local counties, local towns. We will have a land staff of approximately 40 land agents working personally with all the landowners. But as we work with the landowners and the local governments and local stakeholders, we will be refining the route to the best we can to meet the needs of the landowners and the local stakeholders.